You won't believe how much peppers can thrive when you feed them with this simple, natural ingredient that we all have in our kitchen. Everything comes straight from the kitchen, and it gives results that will amaze you. That's why we're asking you right at the beginning, do you grow peppers? Just write yes or nitrogen monoxide in the comments below. We love reading your answers. Why is it important to feed peppers organically? Peppers are sensitive. They require warmth, moisture, and, of course, lots of nutrients. Without regular and high-quality feeding, plants lag behind in growth, fruits remain small, and leaves quickly lose color. That's why today we won't talk about expensive chemicals that harm plants and fruits, but about natural, homemade nutrition that we can all make at home. Stay with us until the end, because at the end we'll reveal a recipe that includes yogurt and has been used for generations for strong plant growth and health. And now, if you find the video useful, click like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. It means a lot to us and helps us to continue with useful tips for all garden lovers. Thank you. Recipe for the best natural food for peppers. Take 1 glass of plain yogurt, about 180 to 200 milliliters. Add 1 liter of lukewarm water, mix well, and let it stand for 30 minutes. Then water the peppers with is liquid minus 100 milliliters around each plant. Once every 15 days. Yogurt is rich in calcium, proteins, and good bacteria that strengthen the roots, feed the leaves, and protect the plant from disease. If you try this method, let us know the results. Write in the comments how your peppers reacted, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and share the video. Are the best support for our work. See you in the next video.